Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I will show you how to create transparent gradient effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, add an image. I already have the image, so add it to the canvas and then increase its size to fill the entire background. Then click on Edit Image and select BG Remove. This will remove the image background. After that, increase the size. Next, click on the Share option, select Download, and choose the transparent option. Finally, click on Download. Now, open the Photopea app. You can find this app by searching for it on Google. In the app, add the image you just downloaded. Then click on the Gradient tool. Go to the Color option and choose Black and White. Next, click on the Layer option, scroll down, select Raster Mask, then click on Add Reveal All. After that, click and hold the mouse where you want to start the blur, drag to the desired area, and release the button. Next, click on the File option, scroll down to Export As, select PNG, and click on Save. Finally, go to Canva. Then go to Elements. Add a mountain image and grass, then increase its size. Add the downloaded image and increase its size. Then go to Elements. Add mountain image to the canvas and increase its size. Finally, go to Position. Move the second image to the first position and the second image to the third position. This is our image. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.